Hello all and welcome to our second Experiment with Extension video. I'm Tristan Cope from Marion County K-State Research and Extension, and I am the 4-H agent and Family and Consumer Science agent. I'm so glad that you're coming back to join us for this video and experiment with us. Today is going to be some fun. We are going to learn about magic hand washing. So today, make sure before you begin that you've asked for your parents' permission to join us in this experiment and for any help that you might need getting our supplies. Those supplies would include a pie plate or just a glass bowl that you can use, some soap, some pepper, and some water. All right. So to get started, what we're going to do is we are actually just going to fill up our bowl or our pie plate with about half full of water. Perfect. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our pepper. So this experience, it talks a lot and we're going to learn about surface tension of water. So what we're doing right now is just sprinkling our pepper on top of our water. Just like so. So you just want to get a thin layer there, and then you're good. What I want us to do now is take one finger, and you're just going to dip it right into your bowl covered with pepper, and see what happens. And then raise it up. So for me, I still have pepper on my finger, and the pepper remains the same inside of your bowl. It didn't change at all for mine. Now, I'm going to try the same experiment, but use soap. So I'm going to take a little bit of soap and put it on my finger. So I have a drop here and a little bubble. So I just have one drop right here. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to dip this one finger inside of my bowl with the pepper. Now, if you can't see mine, make sure that you try yours to see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So I don't know if you could see that on my video, but when I put my hand into my bowl, all of the pepper scattered and separated from the middle of my bowl. It's around the outside right now. So that, friends, is called surface tension. So what the soap does is it breaks the surface tension of the water, which separates the pepper and spreads it throughout the bowl. What this looks like, I'll kind of show you if I can bring it over. I'll show you from the bottom. So it's a ring kind of right around. This is kind of the same, and I like to compare it to hand washing. So when we're washing our hands, if we're not using soap and we're just washing it, you're going to dip your hand, or your germs that are going to be on your hand if you don't use soap are going to stick to your fingers. But when you use the soap and you put it on your hand and then you scrub the bottom of your hands, your palms, in between your fingers, on your fingertips, between your thumbs, on the backs of your hands, and then on your wrists, that's actually going to break that surface tension or get off those germs when you're doing it for 20 seconds and then rinsing it off with water, then taking a paper towel to dry. Just like I'm getting those last bits of pepper off, I'm getting the last bit of germs off of my hands on that paper towel. So I hope you had fun today learning a little bit about surface tension and relating it to how we can wash our hands to keep our bodies safe. I hope you join me next week. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.